Assalamu alaikum viewers. In the previous topic, we discussed the contemporary South Asia, in which we introduced these countries, what are the linguistic as well as the cultural diversification between these countries, and in that topic we discussed the democracy in India. Today we will know about the democracy and the military rule in Pakistan. This is class 12 chapter 5, and we will come to know about the Pakistan. As you know, India, Pakistan and Bangladesh once was a single country under the British rule, but with the provisions given by the British government for the Constituent Assembly for framing the constitution, and likewise the two-nation theory propounded by Ali Muhammad Jinnah. As such, Pakistan was divided from India on 14th of August 1947, in which Pakistan got a separate identity and India remained as a part. The Pakistan, which got its independence, after its independence started electioning in their country, but their democracy could not prevail for a long time. After the first framing of the constitution and electing this prime minister, the first coup was led by General Ayub Khan in the year 1958. There remained a tussle between the military governments as well as the democratic governments. As such, General Ayub Khan took the power from the elected government and issued martial law within the Pakistan. After that, during this period, this was 1958 up to 1900, in his tenure, there was a war between India and Pakistan which took place in the year 1965, and there was a famous agreement between this Ayub Khan and the Lal Bahadur Shastri at Tashkent in the year 1966. This coup was, and later this Ayub Khan got himself elected as the president of the Pakistan. He was replaced by General Yahya Khan in the year 1969 on 31st of March 1969. He replaced the Ayub Khan and became the martial law of the Pakistan. In his tenure, there was the separation of East Pakistan from West Pakistan in the year 1971, in which Bangladesh came into being as a third country of this region, which was once controlled by the Britishers. In his tenure, the Bangladesh got divided, as well as new elections were held within the Pakistan, in which Pakistan People's Party under the leadership of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto came into power and remained there. During the tenure of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, there was a famous agreement between Indira Gandhi and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, known as Shumla Agreement, in the year 1972. This after this Yahya Khan, there was this successive government, or we can say the elected government came into power, but in the year 1971 to 77, this government remained in politics. In the year 1977, another coup was led by General Ziaul Haq, in which he removed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto from the power and imprisoned him on the sedition, on some charges in the election of 1971. In the year, and later Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was executed on 4th of April 1979. After that, Benazir Bhutto came into power in the year 1988, and General Ziaul Haq was assassinated, or he died in an air crash in the year on the 17th of August 1988. After him, there was the successive government which was under the leadership of Pakistan businessman Nawaz Sharif, under his party Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz Group. It came into power, and this party was remain in the power for a certain period of time. After that, there was a coup by General Pervez Musharraf in the year 1999, and during the tenure of Nawaz Sharif, there was the Kargil War between India and Pakistan, in which the Nawaz Sharif, the army general, remained on the forefront, and that became the cause that he seized the power of the elected government in the year 1999. In his tenure, there was the Kargil War of 2001, and the elected, or later in the 2001, Pervez Musharraf got himself elected as the president of the Pakistan. Likewise, during the tenure of Nawaz Sharif, there was the Lahore Bus Yatra on 21st of February 1999, and it was followed by Agra Summit in the year from 14th to 16th of July 2001. Likewise, on 25th of March 2008, Pakistan People's Party formed the government in the Pakistan, in the Islamabad, but at a huge cost of the leader, the Benazir Bhutto, who was killed in an election relay at Rawalpindi, Liaquat Bagh National Park, Rawalpindi, Punjab, on 27th of December 2007, which resulted that there remained tussle between the army as well as in the political leaders. And Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, which was formed on 25th of April 1996 by the famous cricket star Imran Khan, it boycotted the elections of 2008. But later in 2013, this PTI took part in the elections and emerged as the second largest party within the Pakistan. Thereafter, the elections were held in the year 2018, in which Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Party got the majority and has formed the government within the Pakistan under the leadership of Imran Khan. This is all about Pakistan. In next video, we shall discuss the democracy and military rule in Bangladesh. Thank you. Have a nice day.